Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jamie's Journey. So, this Friday, we are going to discuss how it is I manifested my study abroad trip to London. Yes, I'm so excited just saying it. I'm smiling even more. I don't even know. So, let's get into this. First off, I need to explain that I did not know when I was studying abroad or where I was going in the beginning. I just knew for a fact I was going to study abroad. I was leaving this country and going someplace else to explore and travel, something that I really, really love doing. And before I even got into this, I just knew that it was going to happen. People would ask me, and I'd be like, yeah, I'm studying abroad. I don't know when, I don't know where, but it's gonna happen. Like, it is what it is. And of course, people are like, you don't know where you're gonna go, you don't know these things. It's like, no, but I know I'm going to. So freshman year comes, it goes, I don't do anything about it. I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna study abroad eventually. Sophomore year comes, and my friends and I are talking about it, and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna do this. This is gonna happen. So I go to the study abroad office, and I'm all nervous, and I really don't know why to go and talk about where I want to go, but for some reason, I got freaked out by nothing, of course. And I'm sitting there with the guy. I have my friend next to me. She's all excited because she knows exactly where she wants to go. And he's talking to me and he's like, yeah, well, you can go to Mexico. You can go to Spain. You can go to Ireland, Scotland, Brazil, anywhere, basically. And then he said London and how there was an internship there. And something clicked. I was like, please tell me more about that one. That one sounds interesting. He's like, okay, well, here you can get a 20-hour internship, take a couple classes, travel, meet some new people, really work on your craft. I was like, yes, that's for me, no doubt. And of course, they don't just give you like the one place as an option. They tell you about all these other places. Like Greece had this really cool program, so did Copenhagen, but I don't know what it was about London, but it just felt right for me. So he gives me a bunch of pamphlets and books with all the information for all these different places. And I look through them and I'm like, yeah, Greece does sound cool. I used to be really into Greek history and mythology and stuff like that. And, that would be awesome. And of course, Italy sounds like a really cool place to go. Like, who wouldn't want to go there? But I kept flipping and the page would keep landing on London no matter what I would do. And I was just like, I'm going to London. That's where I'm going. I don't know why, but this is where I want to go. This is what's calling to me. This is what's right there in front of me every single time I would open those books. And so months go by and now I'm home and I get an email letting me know that they need to have a conversation with me about my study abroad plans. And I'm like, oh no, what's going to happen? Like, what is this? And I'm like, wait a second, Jamie, calm down. You've got this. You're going to London. And I had to sit about and think about it for a little bit while, and then I was like, I'm going to London. I have nothing to fear. Like, they're probably just going to tell me about applications and stuff like that. Like, why wouldn't I be going to London? And so I'm in the middle of a conference with the man, and he's talking to me, and he asks me this question about why I want to go to London. And I sit there, and I'm quiet, and then I'm like, well, to be honest, as soon as you said it, something just clicked. It felt right for me. And I know that London is a really, really great place to work on my writing and get more in touch with different ways to write and explore different genres and different things like that, really get into theater, all kinds of different options when it comes down to writing. And I know that it's the European countries that have more of an appreciation for the arts in general than in comparison to the United States. And he's quiet for a second, and I'm like, oh God, did I say the wrong thing? And he goes, thank you. That's exactly what I was looking for. It really does sound right. I completely understand where you're coming from. I was like, yes, this is great. Yay. And so then we start talking about the application, when I need to fill that out, how much money I have to pay, all these different things. And the freaking meeting goes by. Like that, it was so good. It was a great meeting. I don't even know why I was so nervous in the first place. And afterwards, I'm excited. I'm running around my house. I'm screaming out, I'm going to London. I'm going to London. And I realized that I manifested this, right? This is how this worked. If it wasn't for the universe, this wouldn't be happening. I probably wouldn't even be studying abroad in the first place, or I would have gotten some terrible news because I was focusing on that, and they would have been like, oh, well, you can't go to London, so pick someplace else. And I guess I probably would have picked like Mexico or something, but it wouldn't have been the same, right? So here's how I did this. Every time people would ask me about studying abroad, I would just say, I'm studying abroad. Then when I realized some reason London was the place I wanted to go, people would start asking me again. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm studying abroad in London. I'm getting an internship. I'm going to London. I'm honing my craft. And I don't have any information on this at all. My parents are asking me. I'm like, oh yeah, this is where I'm going. They're like, Jamie, what? You don't have anything? I'm like, I just know I'm going, right? And so I just kept talking it into existence no matter what. There was no certainty. There was no guarantee. Anything could have happened. And I just kept saying, that is where I'm going. And I didn't let myself lose any faith. I didn't get worried. I didn't discourage myself at all. I was like, this is happening. This is for me. London is my place. And so that was the biggest thing that I believe was the technique to help me manifest this. But I also was looking through some of my stuff. I have this cute little notebook where I would go to work and I would like doodle in it or whatever. And I found this page where I wrote, London, here I come. Can you see that? I don't know when I wrote this. I don't remember doing it, but I guess I did because it's in my notebook. And there's these cute little bubbles, and one of them says adventure, opportunity, fun, travel, love, success, memories. Okay, so these are the things that I think about when I'm just talking about London. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna make so many new friends. I'm gonna travel different places while I'm there. I'm gonna have the best opportunity to get me in the door for publishing because I want to do that. I don't know about the love thing. I don't know. Maybe I'll fall in love with the place. Maybe I'll meet love. Anything can happen. You know how the universe works. And the success, I feel successful thinking about it because that's a major stepping stone in my career, especially for after I graduate. Memories, I'm definitely going to make a lot of memories there. I know that for a fact. No one can tell me otherwise. And adventure. You can find adventure anywhere, so, you know, I'm really, really excited. But finding this page, it was like, okay, so I clearly really was strong belief in this because I wrote this down. And I found that writing stuff down in general, it usually helps me to manifest things. But the thing with that is that if you are a person who likes to write, don't use that as your technique. Find something else that you feel really, really good about to help you manifest. So sometimes I'm not always in a mood to write, or I'm not feeling good as a writer. I'll draw out what I'm trying to manifest, or I'll write a song, or, you know, I'll look at pictures, watch movies, read books, all kinds of different things. Whatever works for you is whatever you do. And because I like to talk a lot, clearly talking it into reality definitely helped. But that's what I did. I don't see anything else in this notebook about study abroad, and I have 3-4 other ones, so I don't know when I wrote it, but clearly the universe has been on my side about manifesting this trip. And I'm gonna let you guys know, I am not prepared in a single way for this trip at all, but I'm not worried because I know the universe is gonna take care of me. So if you guys are manifesting anything, it doesn't have to be a trip, but, you know, for this video, it could be a trip. Don't have doubt. Believe and know that it is yours. That place where you want to go, say it's Disney World. Disney World is your place. Guess what? You're going to go to Disney World. The universe is going to make it so. You are going to have the best time. You're going to great memories, take tons of pictures, find all your favorite characters. Know that. Experience it. Allow yourself to be happy talking about it, because if you don't, it's not going to work. You have to be happy, you have to have faith, and you have to know that it is yours. Whatever you are asking for from the universe, it is always, always yours. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I'm still smiling so hard from manifesting this trip. It's one of the coolest things I've ever manifested in my entire life, I think. And so if you guys have any questions, please hit me up on Facebook, the Twitter, Instagram. Those links will all be down in the description box below. Comment what you guys are manifesting, or let me know what was one of the greatest things you've ever manifested. That would be really, really cool to know. I'd love that. And so I post videos every single Wednesday for Grateful Wednesdays and on Fridays for manifestations and law of attraction techniques, whatever is going on right then and there. I also post vlogs throughout the week sometimes because I do like making those as well. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumb up because I enjoyed making it, and you know what? I know that you guys enjoyed this video. I set the intention for it. Make sure you share it with anyone and everyone you know who needs a little booster in manifesting, or is trying to manifest a trip, or, you know, just needs some good high vibes. You know, my videos, I'm sending you guys that positivity. So I will see you guys so soon. Make sure you have clicked that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you always know whenever I post a video. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.